Just tell me when we're ready to go.
I just talk loud. All right, this is our post-game show brought to you by the Peruzzi Automotive Group, Peruzzi GMC, Buick, and Peruzzi right there on Route 1 in Fairless Hills, Pennsylvania.
Tonight we're going to talk to Sean Pepper, started tonight at the quarterback position, number 10 for Pennsbury. We're going to talk to him about the first half he had. And Sean, tonight you actually threw 2 passes in that first half. It looked like the same play to me. You completed both of them, one for a touchdown. Can you take us through those 2 passes that you completed?
Well, the one was like a play action because they were like stacking the box. So the guy just went out and he was wide open. And the other one, they kept bringing the safety up. So we just ran like a post right over the middle, and it was just wide open.
So did the coaches recognize that they were? I knew they were bringing 8, 9 people up into the box. Did the coaches recognize that on the sideline? Tell you this is what we're going to run?
Yeah.
Or you brought that from out of the game to the coaches?
Yeah, the coaches saw it on the sidelines and just told me to run it.
You guys did a great job in the first half. I know you got to get. I mean, you guys are a running offense. You've been running a wing tee for a while. You talk ground and pound, so it had to be a thrill for you to put it in, pull it out, and go deep a couple of times in one half.
Yeah, it was good. We do like to pound the ball, but they were just stacking the box. So he told us the pass was going to be open, and we did it a couple of times and it worked. And then we could just go right back down to the ground.
But once you guys got the lead, you know what to do with it. You grounded and pounded. I know tonight not the greatest weather for passing or even ball handling. You guys had a tough time of it. I know, like I said, a lot of it you'll talk about and you'll work on during the week. But congratulations, Sean. You guys get a win. It's the first win in the Suburban One National Conference. It's a good way to start the second half of the season.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, now we're going to talk to Bruce Campbell. And remember, the stars of our games also receive a complimentary hoagie from Landolfi's Deli at 35 South Main Street in Yardley, Pennsylvania. Also, a free oil and lube job at East Penn Automotive on 1021 Trenton Road in Fairless Hills, and a cake from Kramer's Bakery in Yardley. And Bruce Campbell snared that cake from Kramer. So, Bruce, I guess you earned your cake tonight.
Well, congratulations, Bruce. Great job. You came in the second half, and in my view, from up top, it looked like you kind of calmed things down. There was a few penalties, a few turnovers. The ball was on the ground for both teams. It was that kind of night. But you kind of came in, you had the ball handling going. Looks like you understand this offense, and you ran it really well. Is that how you felt about that second half?
Yes, I did. Our guys are most competitive guys in the league. We have Dylan and JJ in there. They've been here forever. Talking to the referees, trying to work things out. They're getting really competitive and talking a lot. I'm just trying to calm everybody down, and we did, and we moved the ball well.
The other thing I wanted to talk to you about, and you scored a touchdown. I don't know if that's your first touchdown this year, is it?
It's my second.
Second, I'm sorry. I missed the 2 games in between now and Easton, but I mean, on that play, I believe it was 4th down, and I think you took it, you put it in, maybe Max you pulled it back out, followed him through. Do I have it accurately?
Oh, we just, on that play, we were so close, we just did a sneak right behind JJ. I just followed him on JJ.
And not a bad guy to follow, huh?
No.
No idea. And I mean, it's a great job. Like I said, I thought you came in the second half, calmed things down. You pushed that one in, and that was a crazy series. But you finished it, and that was the important thing to do as a quarterback. Congratulations. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.
All right.
And Bruce Campbell, with that cake, don't forget you guys can go watch your videos and the stars of the game at WBCB1490.com/on high school/local sports. Go to sports videos, click it on, and you'll see yourselves the stars of the game and all the other stars throughout Bucks County right here at WBCB1490.com. Thank you very much, and have a great evening.
Thank you. No problem. No problem. Thanks for spending time with us.
Okay, thanks.